Ever wondered why some people have twisted, enlarged veins, often in their legs? Well, let's unravel the mystery. These are known as varicose veins, a common condition where veins become enlarged and overfilled with blood, giving them a gnarled, bumpy appearance. But what causes these veins to bulge out like that? It's all down to the valves within the veins. These tiny gatekeepers should open and close to let blood flow towards the heart. But sometimes they malfunction. Instead of closing after allowing blood through, they remain open, causing blood to pool in the veins, leading to varicosities. Several factors can contribute to the risk of developing varicose veins. Age and gender play a significant role, with women and older adults being more susceptible. Pregnancy, obesity and jobs that involve prolonged standing can also increase the risk. Now that we've got a grip on what varicose veins are, it's time we delve into some ways to manage them naturally. Before we explore the remedies, let's understand how varicose veins manifest themselves. Varicose veins often make themselves known in a very visible way. You might notice blue or dark purple veins appearing on your legs. These veins may seem twisted and bulging, almost like cords running under your skin. But varicose veins are not just a cosmetic concern. They can also cause discomfort and pain. Many people experience aching legs, especially after standing for long periods. Swelling of the feet and ankles is another common symptom. You might also notice your muscles cramping, particularly at night. The skin covering the varicose veins can change too. It may become dry and thin, and the color may alter, often becoming brownish or blue. While these symptoms are troublesome, it's the potential complications that make varicose veins a serious concern. Ulcers, for instance, can develop near varicose veins, particularly near the ankles. These ulcers can be painful and require treatment. Then there's the risk of blood clots. If a deep vein in your leg becomes swollen and painful, it could be a sign of a deep vein thrombosis. This is a serious condition that requires immediate medical attention. Lastly, there's the possibility of bleeding. If the skin over a varicose vein becomes thin, it can bleed significantly, even from a minor injury. Knowing these symptoms and complications, it becomes crucial to manage varicose veins effectively. So let's dive into some natural remedies. Nature has a bounty of remedies for varicose veins, and we're about to explore a few. The first remedy, and perhaps the most universally beneficial, is exercise. Regular physical activity encourages better blood circulation in your legs, helping to push along the blood that has collected in your veins. Exercise also helps to lower your blood pressure, which is often a contributing factor to varicose veins. A simple daily walk can be a great start. Maintaining a healthy weight is another crucial step in managing varicose veins. Excess weight puts additional pressure on your veins, making it harder for your blood to flow upwards against gravity. By keeping your weight in check, you can reduce the strain on your veins and alleviate some of the symptoms of varicose veins. Now let's move on to diet. A high-fiber, low-salt diet can do wonders for your veins. Foods high in fiber can prevent constipation, which can contribute to varicose veins by increasing pressure on the veins in your lower body. On the other hand, a diet high in salt can cause water retention, which exacerbates the swelling and discomfort associated with varicose veins. So, opt for plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet, and go easy on the salt. The concept of leg elevation is simple yet effective. By raising your legs above the level of your heart, you can improve venous circulation and reduce the pressure on your veins. This can be done when you're resting or sleeping. It's a simple habit that can bring significant relief. Finally, consider the use of compression stockings. These specially designed socks or tights apply pressure to your lower legs, helping to maintain blood flow and reduce discomfort and swelling. These are just a few ways nature allows us to manage varicose veins, but there's more to come. As promised, we're back with more natural remedies for varicose veins. Let's delve into the world of plant extracts and their wondrous benefits. A noteworthy mention is the horse chestnut, which isn't just a delightful sight in nature, but also a potent remedy. Its extract has been used for ages to reduce inflammation and swelling, a boon for those grappling with varicose veins. It works by sealing leaky capillaries and improving blood flow, making it an ally in your journey towards better vein health. Next, we have grapeseed extract, another natural marvel packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. It strengthens the blood vessels and improves their elasticity, thus helping reduce the appearance of varicose veins. But remember, while these extracts are beneficial, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Moving on to butcher's broom, a plant with a strange name but impressive properties. It's known to constrict blood vessels and improve circulation, making it a go-to remedy for many seeking relief from varicose veins. Now let's talk about flavonoids. These are compounds found in many fruits and vegetables, and they play a crucial role in improving blood circulation. They help relax blood vessels, facilitating smoother blood flow and reducing the pressure that contributes to varicose veins. So remember to incorporate a rainbow of fruits and veggies in your diet. Lastly, a word of advice. If you're prone to varicose veins, try not to sit or stand for prolonged periods. Regular movement encourages blood flow and can help prevent the condition from worsening. It's about making small changes to your lifestyle that can add up to significant benefits. And with that, we've covered some of the most effective ways to manage varicose veins naturally. Remember, your health is your wealth, and it's never too late to start taking care of it.